Hello fellow learners, today we're diving into the art of following tutorials effectively. Don't just follow tutorials brainlessly, instead, let's explore a more hands-on and engaging approach. Are you ready? Let's get started. When you come across a tutorial, resist the urge to follow it step by step right away. Watch it once or twice to get an overall understanding of the process. See how it's done, take notes, and understand the rationale behind each step. This comprehension will be crucial in making the learning process more effective. And remember, taking notes is probably one of the more important steps when watching these tutorials and trying to follow them. Now, it's time to put your understanding to the test. Close your tutorial and try to make the project from scratch yourself. You might face challenges along the way, and that's okay. Embrace them as they are opportunities to learn and grow. If you encounter a roadblock, don't get discouraged. Instead, try googling the issue and seek solutions from various sources. Different perspectives and solutions from the coding community can open up new insights and help you overcome obstacles. And now look at that, by persistently exploring various resources and understanding the process, your skills have improved drastically. So, my fellow learners, remember, tutorials are a fantastic learning tool, but don't follow them blindly. Watch, comprehend, and then attempt to make it yourself. Embrace challenges and seek solutions from different sources to elevate your learning experience. This method has proven to be incredibly effective for me and many others. Now it's your turn to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and coding adventures. Happy learning, and remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, there is a huge sale going on in the Unity asset store right now, where some assets are up to 50% off, and these assets are actually really good, and I think I will be purchasing some even by myself. These assets have been chosen by Unity affiliates like me, and they are all really good. So if you're purchasing anything, use my link from the description below. It costs you nothing and it helps me out a ton. So yeah, have a nice one. See you in the next one. Bye.